A dive watch bezel is an essential component of a dive watch that allows divers to track the amount of time they have spent underwater. The bezel is a ring surrounding the watch face that can rotate unidirectionally. To use a dive watch bezel, the diver first aligns the zero marker on the bezel with the minute hand on the watch face. As the diver descends underwater, they rotate the bezel to indicate the elapsed time of the dive. The bezel is designed to rotate only in a counterclockwise direction, preventing the diver from accidentally turning the bezel in the wrong direction and underestimating their dive time. The bezel usually has markings in 5-minute increments and a bold marker at the 15-minute mark, allowing divers to quickly and easily track their dive time. Overall, the dive watch bezel is a simple but effective tool that provides divers with an important measure of safety during their underwater activities.